Today is Friday, April 27th. For the last couple weeks, I've kind of fallen off the eating right and being productive bandwagon, but today is the day we're going to get all that back. We've got around 112 emails in the inbox that we need to deal with today. Now, I don't think I'm going to get down to inbox 0, but let's try and get down to inbox 5. I think we can do it. Let's get started. I am very behind schedule today. I'm going to grab a 12-bar and get to work. Sometimes I exaggerate just a little bit. I'm about 2 minutes late for work. So I made the bus with plenty of time to spare. It's only like 6:50 a.m. This is Philippe's review of the Pixelbook.
Yeah, okay. The bezels are really big. It's kind of a turn off. But I do like, the two-tone thing. It's nice to grab. Like, you could grab this, do like this, and not let go. Apparently, I was told by Steven that if you knock twice, a light comes on. I don't know what the purpose is, but
Is to check the power. It feels so good to be home. It is Friday night. So we still need to get a blower so that we can clean up all the wood chips, but I think the yard is looking much better recently. Got the trim done, been mowing it regularly. It's all smooth and clean. Very nice. Yo, baby boo. Yo, baby boo, what'd you think of the yard?
It's so beautiful.
So we just went for a walk to get the mail, and now we are ridiculously proud of ourselves because we met a neighbor. Her name was Priya. She was very nice. She's gonna add us to the WhatsApp group for the neighborhood. So finally meeting our neighbors, gonna get connected to a whole community. We're gonna be completely different people, aren't we, Steph? Stephanie's having me cook tonight, so I made her some apple slices. Now she's eating a quesadilla, a yummy, wait, what do you call it?
An ooey gooey yummy quesadilla.
An ooey gooey yummy quesadilla. And the oven just finished preheating because I'm gonna make her a pizza. Hooray for cooking. Wow, time is really fun tonight, but the good news is I actually did it. I hit inbox 0, no new mail. All right, here we have an available 4 bays, and we're gonna be installing 2 hard drives today. Let's get started. Keep the cabling easy. I'm gonna install the additional 2 hard drives in these 2 upper right bays. Alright, just installed the 2 drives. That was pretty easy. Now we have to actually wire them up on the back. We need to find some SATA cables. Snap, I think I need more power cables for the SATA cards. Fortunately, I think my case came with a bunch of extra power cables that you could just plug in as needed, so good thing I kept this. So I'm not really sure what these are on the side of my case, but I just removed them to make it easier to access the hard drives. Hope that doesn't cause any problems. Alright, so we've got the hard drives installed, we've got them wired up for both data and for power. Now we have the moment of truth to see if everything works. And here we have the 2 new drives. Hooray, it worked!